Hey Spiff users, prospective customers, and sales ops pros. Let's talk about the real-world benefits Spiff brings to sales operations. Imagine this: you're at the center of your team's success, surrounded by all the tools and data you need, all in one place. Look left, a sales manager is reviewing a complex compensation plan. With Spiff, they're not fumbling with spreadsheets. They're making real-time adjustments, creating scenarios, and seeing the impact instantly, all while you watch their confident nod of approval. Look right, a brand new salesperson just started. They pull up their personalized Spiff dashboard. They see their quota, their commission accelerators, and a clear path to hitting their goals. No confusion, no waiting for HR to explain things. They're empowered from day one, and they're already motivated to sell. Look up, the CFO is smiling. Spiff's accurate, automated commission calculations mean no more manual errors and no more overpayments. The financial data is rock solid, and the time saved is substantial. They can finally focus on strategic financial planning instead of chasing down commission discrepancies. Look down, see that? It's a real-time commission payout notification on a salesperson's phone. They just closed a deal, and they can see their earnings update instantly. This isn't just a number, it's a huge motivator. It drives transparency and trust within the sales team. Now, spin around. You're at the heart of the action. Spiff isn't just a tool, it's the engine that powers your sales team. It brings clarity to compensation, drives motivation through transparency, and ensures financial accuracy for the entire organization. It's the difference between a reactive, chaotic sales ops team and a proactive, strategic powerhouse. And that's just a glimpse of the benefits Spiff can bring to your sales operations.